Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you Release It COD form and Upsells Shopify tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you start using this specific app here on Shopify? Well, using it is, or starting to use it is pretty easy. So first thing you want to do is you want to install this app. So how do you do that? So you want to go to your settings at the bottom left here. You want to go to the apps and sales channel option, click on Shopify App Store. Now, in here, what we need to do is we need to paste, or we need to type in the following, which in this case exactly, Release It COD forms and upsell. Now, there are going to be a lot of options that you might need to choose from, but in my case, I'm able to search for it directly here. And by the way, if you're wondering about the plans they have, so you can actually use this for free, so it's free to install. It's for 60 orders max here per month, but you could get the premium or enterprise here. So in this case, you could get like 360 orders per month for $10. Now, unlimited orders a month if you get the $29.99 per month option. But yeah, so go ahead and click on install here. It should open up a new window, which in this case, you just need to approve the installation. Let's go ahead and click on install. Now, once it's actually installed, you could go ahead and wait for it to load up. It will automatically load up the app. Now, at the left side here, you can go ahead and pin the app here in order for you to use it immediately, just in case you want to access it immediately for your website. So if you're going to use it again and again, it's best to pin that. But once it's actually properly loaded up, it should give you the pop-ups here and also the setup. So first, you're going to ask you to select your language. Just go and choose English. Click on continue. Now from here, we need to set this up. Now, setting this up is pretty easy. So in this case, what we need to do is we just need to follow the setup process. So first is we just install the app, which is done. You can go and enable the app on your store. So you just need to click on Open Team here and just need to wait for this to load up. Just make sure at the left panel here, the app is turned on. So it should be turned on here. Click on Save at the top right to save the change. Once you've done that, you could go and go back here. It should be now complete. Now, in this case, from here on, you could go ahead and basically start navigate or changing a few things here. Like, for example, you have the form designer. Now, the app itself allows you to add a COD form into your website, which in this case, we have the buy button here. You could go ahead and change a few things. Buy with cash on delivery. This is the preview for it. You can change, add like subtitles and button animations here, the icon I want to use for it, and a lot more. Obviously, there are going to be a lot more. We also have the form designer here if you want to basically change the form. So in this case, for the cash on delivery option here, it's going to ask you a number of details. So in this case, you can go ahead and edit those. You can even hide them just in case. As you can see right now, you can hide them. You can go ahead and move them around, change a few things, what text you want to include to that. Just make sure to click on the check here. And also if it's required, make sure to require that. Just click on the check here to confirm your changes. Now you also have the shipping rates here. You can go ahead and customize that in here. But to be speaking, we just need to click on add right here and customize yours. Now, I also have like fraud prevention here just in case to avoid like frauds. So we don't want to basically send products that will not be paid. So in this case, go and provide the necessary emails here that you want to block, or phone numbers you want to block here, IP addresses that you always allow here. And also you have your delivery success here, but in this case allows you to basically autocomplete like address validations here, SMS like if an order has been completed, order confirmation here. There are going to be some fees, like for example, there are going to be rates like $0.163 per SMS here. So yeah, you can change your contacts here, you can add your WhatsApp and whatever. And also have your analytics if you want to know more about what's happening right now on your website. I also have your sales booster if you want to boost the sales for your website. You can go and configure your one-click upsells, which allows you to add or use the upsells functionality here. You also have our billing plans here if you want to upgrade your current plan. But yeah, so let's go and see our website here. Just going to open up our online store. But typically speaking, if you go to your, in this case, your cart, you should see the buy with cash on delivery. So if you go and click on it, it's going to ask you a bunch of details about your product. So you can go and just fill that up, and the customer should now be able to buy it with cash on delivery. But obviously, you need to set up a few things here, customize it to your website. But that's how you use it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. But see you then up. Thank you for watching.